This demo is going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use NiftyImages inside of AWeber. I'm going to go over the different image types, starting with personalized images. Now here we have a bunch of templates you can choose from, but keep in mind you can always come and upload your own image. So if you wanted to custom design one, you can. But for this demo, I'm going to choose a template. Here it's going to show where the personalization is going to go and give me an option for default value. So if I don't have everyone's name, I can show another value here. But I'm going to keep it as is, hit the save button, and then just name this. Now on the image details page, you'll see here we have the image URL that you'll use inside of AWeber. But you can also just hit change ESP. You can go up and select AWeber, and what we'll do is automatically add the first name merge field there for you. So it just saves a little bit of time. So now I can just copy this. I can go into AWeber, and what I can do is go to any text field and simply go to the source, or I can paste in that code that you were given. I'll hit the save button, and there you can see it's automatically displayed the image. I can come center it. I can still add sections above or below it, but when you send this out, it's going to include everyone's first name, and if you don't have their first name, it's going to show the default value that you set up. Now going back into NiftyImages, the next image type I'll show you are countdown timers. So these let you select a variety of different templates. You can choose the exact day, time, font options. There's lots of different options here to custom design this timer exactly how you want it to look. But once you save it, you are given a very similar image URL. So once again, I can just copy this. In this case, there's no variable because we're not customizing this for each subscriber. But I can come into my template again. I can go and simply paste in the code that you're given, hit the OK button, and now you can see the timer shows up as well. And that's going to be an animated GIF that counts down for 35 seconds. And each time the subscriber opens the email, they'll get a new countdown until it hits 0. So that's a real simple way just to add a timer and a personalized image into your email templates. Now, if you're interested in adding live social feeds, once again, you can create a new image with NiftyImages. In this case, I'll just do the Instagram option, but the Pinterest is exactly the same. And I can search for any username or hashtag. If I choose AWeber, you'll see it automatically creates a collage from the latest AWeber post. I can modify how big that collage is. I can modify the drop shadows, background colors, etc. But once I save this, you're given a simple image URL again that I can copy. And once again, I can put this into my template or into the HTML section here. And you can see a live Instagram image will show up. Now, each time there's a new Instagram post, this will update. So this is updating as often as Instagram posts are being pushed to either the account or username, or sorry, the username or hashtag that you defined. Now, a great feature in AWeber is the ability to send yourself a test and also add the personalization in it without having to send an actual campaign. So I've done that test, and you can see here that the personalized image works. It added the name that I specified. You can see the timer and the live social feed all in my template. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@niftyimages.com, and we'd love to help you out. Thank you, everyone.